Dave Swineford here from Du Bois, going to Penn Highlands Du Bois office. Matt Varacallo is my doctor. I'm 3 months out of rotator cuff surgery. Almost
Pretty much full
identical
motion,
to
right?
the other. Been going to physical therapy twice a week.
How's your pain? What's your pain level like?
Pain level's fine. This side's scheduled for next year.
And he also had a carpal tunnel release.
Carpal tunnel done a month ago. It's doing well.
So within 3 months, he had a large rotator cuff repair, and happy with his motion, no pain. And in the interim, he had a carpal tunnel release. He's working on getting his strength back and going to physical therapy. He has a pretty laborious job. What do you think? How do you feel in terms of like staying at Du Bois as opposed to going to State College in
Absolutely.
Pittsburgh?
It's close, convenient. I'm in here 3 times at least a week.
Yeah. So you're happy with staying at Du Bois?
Absolutely.
Okay.